UFC Midnight 21025. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Oh, iconic moment. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is light heavy, bottom is welter. That is 5 times. Oh, Bailey. Oh, no. Such a hard place to reach. Very brave from Magda there. Oh, oh boy. This is so feral. There's like literally glitter coming off this. Here we go. Up first. Oh my God, that is nice. For the flyweights, 5/5, Valentina Shevchenko. Congratulations, Dean. Far out, that's nice. To 75 for the heavyweights, Marcin Tybura. JDM, Jack Della Maddalena for the welterweights. That's really nice as well. It does have a little bump in it on the back here. Midnight Auto of Jose Aldo. That's cool as well for the bantamweights. Spot 6. To 99, Henry Cejudo for the bantamweights. To 75 for the flyweights, Luana Carolina. And wow, the one and only Yan Xiaonan for the strawweights. And that is UFC Midnight's 21025. Oh man.